right, today I am going to show you how to change the combination on a lock. This right here is a lock made by Master Locks. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is, you're going to take the lock and you are going to put in your code that you use to open it. So for this, my code is 007. Okay, so 007 is my code, right? And so now you unlock it. And so now that it's unlocked, I am able to change the code. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of this right here and you're going to wiggle it off. All right, just wiggle it off. It comes off. It's only this piece that's keeping it there. And now make sure your code is like lined up, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to actually take off the digits. All right, so take off your digits. All right, as you can see, they have indicator lines right here. You see the red indicator lines that show that this is the lineup for unlocking the lock. All right, so these always have to be in line when you're changing your password or your code. All right, so now I am going to put in a new code to unlock the lock, and by doing that, I'm just taking up the digits, right? And I'm going to set it along the lines of what I want the code to be. All right, so I want the code to start, the first number to be 3. So I'm going to slide it on. The next one is 6. The next one is 0. The next one is 1. So my new code is going to be 3601. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it, close it, and then to twist this, it is now locked. And so my new passcode is set to, I'm going to go to it, 3, 6, 0, 1. Okay, so once I have that keyed in, I'm going to lift and it's unlocked. Now that's how you change the combination. And also one key, don't forget to put this back on before you close it. All right, snaps back on. And that's how you change the combination on your lock. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.